To turn on or turn off auto factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find lock screen, and then tap lock screen, select secure lock settings, and then enter your current PIN, password, or draw your pattern if required. And then on auto factory reset, tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. After 15 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.